OFM is Mike Akole there. So today I'll be doing the continuation of the second video on stuff about WhatsApp, like WhatsApp hanging, things to do to avoid blocking and banning and all of them. So I post these, maybe the first, I don't know, maybe this one will be the first or the second. So I'll post one on my YouTube channel. So I'll send the link you grab. So I just want to use that one to grow my account and get more leads as well. You grab. So this one will be explaining what to do to avoid banning and what to do if your WhatsApp is banned. You grab. Then I'll be also explaining what to do so that people will not add you to unnecessary groups and many of them. So the first thing I want you to understand is that nothing in life is worth having one. Let's say that you're having one account, or you're having two WhatsApp, or you're having one WhatsApp, or you're having one phone. You should try to get it back up, because soon or very soon, anytime your phone might get stolen, your phone might be this and that. So you should always have a backup. Like, okay, what if these things happen? I will do so thing. What if this one happen? I will do this one. You grab. Don't just have one WhatsApp like that. Me, I always advise people have second WhatsApp. Then in your groups, let's say you organize tradings. I know most people that are getting this because they are WhatsApp marketers. They organize a lot of tradings on WhatsApp. So I will advise that you get a backup WhatsApp. What I mean by backup WhatsApp is like two WhatsApp business and normal WhatsApp, or maybe FM WhatsApp and GB WhatsApp and normal WhatsApp. Any WhatsApp that you're using, just me, I prefer WhatsApp business because of the label aspect, and it will allow me to follow up, because I will create tags and follow people that are coming from maybe WhatsApp TV, maybe Flexa, maybe Facebook and all of them. I've explained that one in when I was trying to explain what Facebook saying that the second video you grab. So then the second step is like I've explained. The first step is have to WhatsApp. Then make yourself an admin. Make your second WhatsApp the admin in your groups, like all your groups. Let's say you are organizing trainings. Your WhatsApp might be hanging. Sometimes you might not be able to post there. You might not be able to message them. So this might cause that, okay, maybe you are organizing free class and your WhatsApp start hanging. You can use your second WhatsApp. That one is not having much contact. Maybe most people don't have it. You can use that one to organize, like continue the class. Just tell them, okay, this is my second WhatsApp. Don't save this number. If you want them to save it, you can tell them to save it as well. You grab it. Or me, I don't prefer them saving it. I don't use it for my personal life. You grab. So that's what you can do to do. That's one of the things that you can. Then the second step is that know that WhatsApp is kind of like your message and your phone, everything on WhatsApp is stored to your phone. Like if you are using a phone that is like 1 gig RAM, 2 gig RAM, it's very, very slow, especially if you are into online marketing, like you are affiliate marketer, digital marketer, entrepreneurs, and you sell stuff on WhatsApp. So try to get phone that is at least maybe 4 gig RAM, 6 gig RAM, at least let's say 4 gig RAM upward, or at least 3 gig RAM, 4 gig RAM you grab. So that will enable it to reduce the hanging and a lot of them. Then WhatsApp business, sometimes it might take time to load. Maybe when you are having a lot of messages and a lot of, just have it at the back of your mind that, okay, these are the little things that I need to put in place. Then another thing that you can do is that you can okay, let me go to my WhatsApp. Let me go to my this second WhatsApp now. Okay, so this one, you can see I'm having over 50 messages here, and this is my second WhatsApp. I use this one mostly for tradings. Like if I want to organize tradings, I've created a group with that one. That's my WhatsApp business. This one, this is my real WhatsApp business. Then I will use this one to do the follow up and all of them, because this one is having a lot of groups. Like you can see groups. And so these are free trainings, paid trainings, and all of them. You grab. And then I mentioned something that also unmute those that mute you, those that muted you or something. So note that WhatsApp is just something like this is what I'm trying to say. Like if you uninstall WhatsApp now, all the settings you've done, maybe you muted some people, maybe you even, I think blocking is part of it. When you uninstall your WhatsApp and restore and you start again, maybe you register as a new WhatsApp account, those that you've muted will be unmute automatically. And those that mute you will be unmute, like they will unmute themselves. So it's just that you are restarting your WhatsApp. Like when you restart your phone, everything on your phone come back to normal. Like when you format your phone, you flash your phone, so everything will come back to the normal state that it is before you grab. So that's one thing you should note, that if you want people to unmute, just try to back up your stuff. You can make sure that, okay, maybe let's say you're having a lot of messages, you can just delete the WhatsApp. and download it again so you can continue and all of them. So then if you want to avoid people that are adding you to your to what's it called now, to groups, just go to this place, to these three dots, just go to settings. Even though it's WhatsApp business, normal WhatsApp, doesn't matter. Just then go to privacy. This privacy. Let me go back again. Go to settings. Go to these three dots, settings, privacy. You click on account first, this account, then privacy. This one, I always advise people to do this two-step verification, because that one will reduce hacking of accounts. Like, let's say people want to get access to your account and all of them, so it will reduce it. Then click on this privacy. This one you can even use it to reduce people that can see your about, people that can see your status, people that can see your profile picture. But me, I am always this three, 1, 2, 3. I'm less concerned about people that see my my DP. I want everybody to see it. So, but it's only my status that, okay, in my WhatsApp business, I don't want my families to see my what I'm doing. Like, I don't want them for now. It's intentional. It's personal stuff you grab. So then this one don't off it. Like, I sincerely hate when people off their read receipts. Like, when the blue tick is not showing. I'm chatting with you, you read my message, but you are not replying. You like, I sincerely hate it. So don't do it. Then this one, just if you want to, like, you want to reduce adding of groups, like people are adding you to unnecessary group, just go to this place. Then click my contact except yours, like you've seen this one. Then you select all your contacts. Select all contact. Like, it's loading now. You see what I'm trying to see. Alright guys, so let's continue with this one. I can't really say what happened with that one. Like, maybe network is not loading very fast. So that's what you go. The first step is go to account, like go to your WhatsApp settings. Like, let's say on WhatsApp business, like this one, go to your settings, go to your like account, this one, then go to privacy, then go to your groups, this one. It's showing that I'm having 20,000 calls. I don't mind that one. Like, it's not up to that one. Then it's for two WhatsApp. Like that, my other WhatsApp is filled with all these game groups that I've done before. Like, I usually hit them. I've deleted most of them, but some are so many. Like, when I log in some of my email address now, most of them will come back because I didn't delete them permanently. I moved them to accounts that I'm not using, like email that I'm not using. Then I uninstalled them from I deleted it from my phone. You grab. So that's just the thing you do. Go to account, privacy, then on, don't forget that on two-step verification, this one is on already. So if you don't know how to do, just come to two-step verification. You tell you to input a code that you remember. Me, I use the code I use for most of my stuff, like the code I can easily remember. You grab. I use you can use your just things that are personal, things that you easily remember. Just note that one. Then what again? Okay, for banning of account, like some people said, okay, when I send message to 100 people, they ban me, blah, blah. When I was having a WhatsApp TV, I just send a lot of messages, like even to 500 people. They only ban me once, like over 3 years now. They banned me once, and I got it back. Like, almost, I've helped a lot of people to get their WhatsApp back. So it's not about the message alone. One, it's about the type of message you send to people. Maybe you just send 20 times, like they be like, "Oh, the heck is this one?" They block you. Like, when WhatsApp notice the numbers are blocking, they be like, "Why is everybody blocking this guy?" You grab. So they will now be like, well, let us restrict the account and see what is going on. You grab. So one, you should reduce the numbers of person you message daily. Like, let's say you are using box sender, even WhatsApp tools, you are messaging them, like reduce it to maybe 500 or 1,000 per day. Like, at least me, I don't even use it. I only use it for follow up. Like this one now, you see label. This label, you can see Facebook, bank, like these are things that I'm doing. So I only message these people. You can see there are few. They are not even up to 200. So I don't really use bulk SMS like that, but it's still working. If you want to use it, it's working. I'm not saying it's not working, but reduce the numbers of bulk SMS you send so that it will avoid banning. You grab. Then you try to know the type of message you send to people. Don't just send irrelevant message to people. Then don't create group and be adding people. Like, if you are doing that, I just believe that maybe I see a newbie or something. So don't add people to unnecessary groups. Don't just be like for example now, I can't remember it. Oh my god. Like, this person, like, just send me random hello beautiful morning blah 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 to you. This is how she has been sending it. It's just that most times I delete them. Most times I just archive their chats. Don't just be sending random BC to people. That's why that one is amazing because you can send it their name. Then if you are not saving their contact with their name, maybe you extracted the group contact and all of them are saved automatically, or you want to resave it or something. So it's very amazing. Just continue. It's not a must to use their name. Most of the see, I lost several contacts when I was trying to pay for the box and is it for was box sender. I or if you know what I did then, I did a lot of manipulation. So I lost some contact. So from there, I just noticed that okay, I see our groups now. I have paid groups, I have free groups. Like this Go with Tackle is a free training. So I have about 400 members that are there already. So what I just did is that I started the group contact, then it will save automatically on my phone. So from there, you can see my status. Some of them have even bought some courses, some paid for consultation from the group you grab. So it's not a must to have their name. It's not like their name is not the most important thing. Their name is the most important thing is your offer, what you are selling, how you present yourself, and how you do stuff on WhatsApp, what you post in your WhatsApp status. Don't like affiliate marketer reduce the alert screenshot stuff like posting alert to convince people. You are just attract hungry persons, like people that are hungry for money, like they are looking for urgent or money. They won't put in the work. Like they will give you crazy headaches. So me now, I don't need proof to buy stuff. When I see you, I know you are good. When I like this group, you see, Zero to Hero Facebook, it's a free class. Immediately I see the advert on Facebook, I know that this person is good. I just know from your content, for your flyer, I will already know that okay, this person is good. So then when I even join the free training, I don't even go through it. The only thing I did is I message the admin, hello, I want to get your Facebook card course. How much is it? I don't like they've not concluded the class that I paid. I don't even need you to be posting alerts so that I will buy a call from you. No. You only need to show yourself like you be a leader. Like leader gets paid and followers they pay leaders. If you want to start your online market, you have to understand that you must be a leader. That you must be the type of person people want to pay. That's one of the things I want to write in my upcoming book. Like last year I wrote an ebook, How to Handle the Difficult Customer. So this year I want to write another one. That one is free as well. So this one will be free. I don't want to review the title now. It will be something that is strange. Like How to Handle Difficult Customer. You can't see it anywhere. You can't see, like most of the internet marketers that have ebooks, you can't see that title on their store. So it's kind of different. So this one is coming from another angle as well. So you have to become a thought leader, someone that you can easily go to. So you don't just do things anyhow. You don't just post things anyhow on your WhatsApp status as if people that are viewing it are robots. People that you think that they can't afford you or maybe they are broke or something. They are paying things that are very premium, like they are high. Like people that you think that you can't afford 20k, they are paying something worth 50k somewhere. So it's just about the perception, the way you perceive, like the way you present yourself, the way people will perceive you. Grab. So it's not about maybe you think even some people that you think that like this man now is my mentor, like Oyejobi Adeola. You know think that he's not having money. See just simple profile picture, no studio picture that you be like you are the finest. You know simple stuff. That's why I follow people that are not doing those shiny object syndrome. You hardly see me post a lot on status. Even when people pay for my stuff, I hardly post it. I just post sometimes so that people will know that okay, people have joined. Or I just tell them okay, about 50 people have gotten this one. You grab. Then I show the proof sometimes so that people will know I'm saying the truth. But if someone pay you 1,000, you post it. If someone pay you 500, you post it. Someone pay you no, that one, that one is not a must. It's not a must. Like people are wise these days. People are just wise. Like they are more experienced than all those a lot of 1,000, 2,000. They are not moved by that one. So you just want to show them that people are buying. Then you want to show them that it is working. It is working. That's the most important thing. You want to show them that okay, this thing is working for people. You grab. That's what you should be showing people. So I just think that this video is almost 30 minutes. Oh, it's not even up to 20 minutes. All right, so it's not too long. And if your WhatsApp, like if your phone is less than 1 gigram, 2 gigram, I will advise you to get a memory card. Get what's it called as well? Get a memory card of 32 gig or 64. I have 64 gig on my phone. So even though my space is not like space on my phone is not so much, but the 64 will back up. So I migrated a lot of music, lot of videos, lot of courses on my phone to my memory card so that my phone will be free. No WhatsApp is on my phone directly. So it will be very easy to access, like it will reduce the hanging in grab. So those are the things that you can do. Then you can try get a what's it called now? If you are having a laptop, get a flash drive, all the tools that you're having. Then you can also create a separate channel on Telegram, make it private, post all your stuff, like all the videos are important videos, important PDF, important videos and audio. Maybe they are podcasts you want to be like you don't want to lose them. So you have a like me now, I have a private. Let me show you. You know me, I believe in the power of show and not tell. So it's private. So all my stuff they are there. You see my Telegram might take time to load again today. So let me show you my secret gallery. Like, this is it. I have to Telegram. I have to Telegram. So this one is just so those are the things that I paid for and some of the things that my screenshot, my proof, my testimonies. So I put most of them here so that I can easily remember. And things that I don't want to forget, maybe memes. I also add meme marketing to my stuff, like meme, MIMEME, you grab. So those are the little things that you can do to. So on Telegram back up your stuff. Like when you post, like when you create a private Telegram channel, you make sure that you are the only one that you are there, or maybe you can add your brother that you trust so much, or your sister or someone that is very close to you that can like you can reveal your private stuff to you grab. Then another thing you can do on WhatsApp, I think that's all. So the other one I'll be talking about things to do when your WhatsApp is hanging. You can delete and you can uninstall and restore again if it's so bad, like it has gotten to worse and worse. So you uninstall the app and restore it back. So it will reduce the hanging and you can continue doing what you are doing. Just have backup, like all your message, all your starred message. This is what I mean by starred message. This place start message. So once you click on it, you see something, things that are very important to me. So I just start them. So all these start message, you can now copy them and move them to Telegram, or you move them to your Google Drive or your Google Docs. So these things are backup. This app is also good as well. Google Keep. This one, Google Keep. So most of my stuff, this one. So most of my follow message in a summary of the books that I've read, summary of this one. Some I have most of them. In these books and outside to Nigeria, I read it several times. Small business, big money. I even have the paperback and most of them here. So I have the jottings and the summary and all of them. You got so most time I do use them to teach my students and other things as well. So if you get the WhatsApp button tricks, try to join my ninja circle. Like my WhatsApp ninja circle is for marketing and sales. Then you also be learning physical advert and all of them. So you can see the WhatsApp ninja circle at WhatsApp button tricks. So try to join. I think that's all. That's all for today. So if I have any update, another thing that I want to add, I will let you know. All right, thank you.